Hey y'all, it's Madison again. Today I wanted to teach y'all how to make some cold brew using the Z-Beans coffee you have at home. So let's get started. Add your grounds to the jar and then add your water around it. Gently stir your batch to help mix the coffee and water together. When you finish stirring, close the lid to your jar and make sure it is sealed shut and place it in the fridge. Refrigerate for 12 to 18 hours to allow time for the full extraction of your flavors and caffeine. After steeping, remove the jar from the fridge and place your sieve on top of another jar to pour your concentrate into. You can drink your concentrate straight for a stronger flavor, or you can add water to reduce the strength of the flavor. In our shops, we use a 50-50 ratio of concentrate to water. To serve, pop out some of those DIY coffee ice cubes, pour them into a glass, and top with your cold brew. Thank you for tuning in today. We'll see you next time.